In this video, I will talk about everything you need to know about cluster feeding. What is cluster feeding? Cluster feeding, also known as sponge feeding, is defined by a large amount of breastfeeding in a short period of time. For several hours, your infant may alternate between breastfeeding, resting, and fussing. Why and when do babies cluster feed? Breast milk helps your baby acquire the nutrients they need during the newborn stage, which is crucial for growth and development. Milk production works on the principle of supply and demand. If your baby needs more milk, your body will make more. Feeding at regular intervals ensures that your child's growing hunger is satisfied. How long does cluster feeding last? Cluster feeding ages vary by baby, but it commonly occurs between 3 and 6 weeks of age when they are experiencing growth surges. It could last a few days at a time. If your child's cluster feedings last a long time, consult your pediatrician since he or she may not be getting enough calories. So when do you think cluster feeding will be phased out completely? By the age of 3 or 4 months, most infants have outgrown it. On rare occasions, older babies may cluster feed, especially if they require more comfort, like during illness or a growth spurt. How to deal with cluster feeding? You're probably exhausted and annoyed if you're currently in the cluster feeding phase. We promise it will pass eventually. Obtain lots of rest, water, and nutrition in advance of your baby's all-you-can-eat periods. Some mothers make the best of the situation by watching marathons of movies or reading during cluster feedings. If you need assistance, don't be afraid to ask your partner or relatives. Also, calming practices might help calm your baby down when he or she is upset. Wearing your baby in a carrier, decreasing stimulation around them, making relaxing noises like shushing, experimenting with different positions, giving a baby massage, and other approaches can all help. Here are a few more ideas of taking care of yourself, your family, and your baby during cluster feeding. To stay hydrated and nourished during cluster feeds, keep a large bottle of water and snacks near your nursing spot. Set up a nursing station in front of the TV so you can watch something while the baby eats in clusters. Alternatively, you may utilize this time to listen to audiobooks or podcasts. Keep your chargers close at hand. So that you don't get sore during nursing, switch positions frequently. Make a call to a friend during the downtime. Consider wearing headphones so you can have your hands free to hold and assist your baby. Sit on the couch or the floor while feeding the baby to read or play with older children. Have a distinct toy basket for older siblings to play with exclusively when the baby is nursing. How about you? How do you deal with cluster feedings? Please tell us in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.